Imagine you're enjoying a peaceful walk in nature, marveling at the beauty around you. But lurking among the greenery are 6 plants that could ruin your day, or worse. These dangerous lookalikes are not only hard to tell apart, but can cause painful, even life-threatening reactions if touched. Stick around, and I'll show you how to identify them before they identify you as their next victim. Giant hogweed might look like a botanical giant straight out of a fantasy world, but this invasive plant is no friend to your skin or eyes. Standing tall, sometimes up to 18 feet, its thick, hollow stems with purple spots are a clear warning. Even a brief brush with its sap can lead to severe burns, blisters, and in extreme cases, blindness. Poison hemlock is deceptively delicate, with white flowers and slender hairless stems marked by purple blotches. But don't be fooled. Every part of this plant is a deadly toxin. A small amount, if ingested, can be fatal. So steer clear of this highly invasive danger. Spotted water hemlock holds the title of North America's most toxic plant. Its smooth, hollow stems can be green or purple, often with spotted patterns. Even a tiny taste can cause nausea, seizures, and tragically, death. This is one plant you absolutely don't want to misidentify. Cow parsnip may sound harmless, but its fuzzy grooved stems and massive leaves can pack a painful punch. Though native to North America, its sap can cause blisters, rashes, and even long-lasting skin discoloration when exposed to sunlight. Wild parsnip flaunts clusters of yellow flowers atop smooth grooved stems, but don't let its cheerful appearance deceive you. Just like cow parsnip, its sap can leave your skin blistered and irritated, a painful reminder to admire from afar. Finally, there's Queen Anne's lace. While this lacy, white-flowered plant is less dangerous than the others, it still poses a risk to those with sensitive skin. Its fuzzy stems and distinctive central reddish flower are key identifiers. But be sure it's not one of the deadly lookalikes before you get too close. Nature is beautiful, but it's also unpredictable. Knowing how to identify these hazardous plants can save you a lot of trouble, and possibly your life. Stay safe, stay informed, and as always, thanks for joining me on this journey into the wild. See you in the next video.